to Secret Mission Boutique. I'm running late. I still sound sick. This sinus infection, not a good sign. I just finished my meeting. Now I'm gonna take a little time just to show you my fit. Blazer thrifted. I don't know who makes it, from the men's section. My knit dress is thrifted from Zara. My boots are actually resale, Poshmark from Zara. This bag, I do not know the brand, but I love it. Now I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat, and then I'm gonna go to the Dracula experience with one of my friends. I just crossed the street from Brett, and then I realized there's a Five Guys. Excuse me. Windy today.
My dear friends, one dream.
Tonight there is a free drone show in Central Park, and I just finished filming, so I was like, why not take a little break, go to the park, catch the show. Oakberry, which is an acai bowl shop, messaged me on Instagram and asked if I wanted to stop in for a free bowl. I'm so excited, I can't wait. I love acai bowls. I got whey protein, banana, strawberry, cacao. They're so good. No, this is truly fantastic. That was confusing. It was only about 5 minutes. They just seemed to float. I thought they were gonna make some patterns or something. It's been a really busy day. I had to re-record an episode because I accidentally deleted the file. I'm gonna go work in a little coffee shop, and then I will come back and meet with another client. This is from the thrifting episode. See how cute this is? My jeans, I got my little red ballet flats. It's a little chilly. I'm just gonna put this on just to walk. I'm gonna go mail out my personal creations, stockings to my family, and they don't know that they're coming. This is a really hard Christmas for everyone because it's the first without my grandparents, and I think these little stockings are gonna be just like a nice thing to get everybody back in that holiday spirit, because my grandparents loved to decorate for Christmas, especially my grandfather. I'm gonna grab a coffee, even though I don't like coffee. I nearly got off track. I almost bought a candle at Bath & Body Works. I'm ready to go to lunch with my friend Nolay. I'm gonna go to a place called Rosemary's. I've never been before. It's in the West Village, apparently. This is my thrifted fit. The pink-brown color combo is very early 2000s. This coat inspired the whole look. This is from H&M. The top is no brand, but it's from Savers Thrift. The pants, also no tag in these. I got these from Goodwill. They're a little big. I still need to take them in. Then I have these fantastic knee-high boots from Louise AC, and I got them brand new from Poshmark. Some oversized glasses, and I just feel so fancy. I love fall, don't get me wrong, but I never know how to dress for it. Today I thought it was gonna be colder than it is, and now I'm sweating in this coat. I've committed to the look. We are here at Rosemary's. Nolay chose it. I mean, so far, look at this. We're here for, I can't even say it, happy hour. Don't these look so cute? These are the Rosemary's Spritz.
Cheers.
To us. Oh, they're so good.
Show you, but we just popped in and out. It was super, super cute, and now we are at
Ambra.
Gorgeous. Okay, so we had their octopus.
Incredible.
Incredible, but I will tell you the thing that was remarkable was the artichoke.
Lewis taking pen to paper to write down our pumpkin pie list, even though I text it and he refuses to use the list that I text him.
Because then you can't cross it off. What do we have? What are we missing?
Just put it in notes.
I'm a list guy.
I just delete one item at a time. That's how I cross it off.
Okay.
Pumpkin.
Thank you.
For the pumpkin pie. A lot of butter.
You have a list. Read off the list.
So it's a gorgeous day, and it's way too hot, but look at us. Vests and sweaters, because we were trying to get festive.
Beautiful day in Manhattan.
We could be wearing shorts. It's that warm right now.
It's beautiful. Beautiful fall day.
Gorgeous, but not the right vibe for the pies. Honestly, it feels like summertime.
cooking show. Ready? This is all you. You have to cut this open. Wow, this would have taken me so long. You have no idea. Oh! Gross. Totally disgusting. Keep cutting.
Like how far?
Doesn't really matter, just like a pie. Oh, we should preheat the oven.
To what?
I don't know. I mean, like, you could do like 4 something. Not lovely?
Why don't you just let me do the cutting?
I know. See what I mean?
Because it needs to go on the onion quick.
No, it's okay.
What's the next step after this?
We're gonna bake it.
Thank
you.
Am I cutting these in half? I need explicit
Half or a
instructions.
third. It doesn't really matter.
Well, it matters.
It's just it's fun. Like baking and cooking is fun. It doesn't have to be.
Telling somebody who deals in exact denominations, wing it, that's just
go for it. It's gonna work out anyways. I'm like the Bob Ross of cooking.
Now I know why it takes you 9 hours.
Now put it in the oven.
Alright, well, let's let it get to 400 degrees.
I just throw it in there while we're waiting. Who cares?
Well, we're doing everything right today.
This is a creative art.
Experience.
We're doing about 2 cups of flour. You need a fat source. It's gonna be butter. We just kind of want it to be piecey. We're just gonna get a little spoonful of this.
I don't know if you guys have met.
Hi, welcome.
This is Dani. I wondered what the fuck was going on.
See, this is why we need 6. We could have sent him home with a pie.
She wants to make 6 pies.
Look at this pie crust. I mean, this is
Wow.
beautiful.
So cute. That actually does look like that. I thought it was
It's
going
so
to
good.
I might be early on in the proceedings, but I don't want to say it out loud. I underestimated you. I mean, it's early.
What were you expecting?
Who cooks whenever we're doing the thing?
Who volunteers to cook?
No, but I mean, we know I volunteer.
No.
You're baking. You clearly have a handle on this.
I bake and I cook, actually. I just prefer not to. Now that the pumpkins are cooked, they are soft and mushy, we're gonna cool them down in some cold water. Get a cup of pumpkin pulp.
Don't we have to mash it?
I mean, yeah, you can mash it, but I just like kind of throw it in the cup. And then 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups heavy whipping cream.
Well, I don't want to use this.
Why not?
Because it's yuck.
It's all gonna be mixed together.
You know, you're so right.
What is the difference between
There is none. You're right. It just gives me the heaves.
That's weird.
Honestly, she's not being supportive. It's really pissing me off. Alright, what?
Half a cup of milk. And then everything else is to taste. I'm gonna do this.
Y'all seeing this? I followed instructions to the letter of the law. You're doing what I do with red sauce. I hope she knows pumpkin as well as I know marinara.
I do this every year. There you go.
I'm never gonna do this alone without you. However, when it's made in front of me, I'll have a couple tips.
Oh, stop.
What? Good?
Granted, we're drinking raw egg, so we shouldn't do that.
Perfect.
Lou's first crust.
She's acting like I've never made dough before.
I mean, it's like you're mad at it a little bit.
Anybody who's worked with dough just saw what I did and thought it was world class. Listen, as I said earlier, I'm a cooker, not a baker.
Get a little bit of flour then.
Might have not.
Get a little flour and then roll it.
I'm gonna go buy prime rib from the butcher. I can't take this. At what point do I do what I... You won't let me make it like I made pizzas, which is infuriating.
Because it's not pizza, so powder.
I know, but it's dough. Any, like, true Italian, like, from the ages of about 9 to, like, 16, 17, works in a pizzeria, in the restaurant, in the whatever. I'm very familiar around dough, and you're telling me how to roll... I can't.
Can we take care of it?
No, not take care of it. It's more take care of it so I don't have to hear it.
You want me to make the crust?
Yes. I asked for that 4 hours ago. I'm never gonna cook a pie ever when you're not here. Like, keep making it like it's an us thing. It's like, yeah, it's us. I'm gonna gas you up.
They're in there. They're in the stove. All 4 of them.
These look fire.
They look so authentic.
Good job, D.
Us. It's good job, team. This is Lewis's idea. Look at how cute they are.
Honestly, the crust looks A1.
It's time for pie. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need a little bit more whipped cream than that, Lewis.
I didn't put that's ice cream.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Are we opening a restaurant? Here is my OOTN. I'm wearing this super cute branded Maxwell denim dress. I love that the pockets are real. Here's my thrifted Zara bag. I have my Louise AC boots. It is warm tonight. I'm just gonna put this on top of me. So now I'm gonna go meet Dina for dinner at Cucina 8.5. And they actually filmed an episode of Sex and the City there. Well, New York history.
Running late for our appointment with Secret Mission Boutique to get dressed for the event this weekend because people were fighting on the bus and then somebody got hit by a train. I found an Asian market and I cannot resist. I'm done with my meeting. Grand opening of Allure. This is a lounge that was created by the owners of 48 Lounge. Tonight I'm wearing this Jonathan Simkai faux leather dress, my Louise AC boots. I'm getting so much use out of these already. This is just a Kenneth Cole wool coat. I like a little scarf detail on the coat. I'm bringing this woven Madewell bag. Thrifted, this was a sample sale. These are from Poshmark, kind of thrifted. Now that it's cold out, I am bringing my rechargeable hand warmers. Okay, we are here. We just got here to the Hotel Belle Claire for the grand opening of Allure, and we're thrilled. It looks super beautiful.
So hard and love this business is the fact that we get to celebrate every day that we all have together. We get to truly acknowledge the wonderful achievements everybody has and all the wonderful things that life is meant for. Love, celebration, and success.
Today is the New York Marathon. Why do I feel so emotional? This is not easy to do, to run a marathon, and I know that every person here must have so many reasons they're doing it. This is amazing, and I'm here really late. I had to work all day. I'm in the little cheer zone, okay? Oh, this is so cute. Look at the families.
Dana's here. For the first time, actually. I love it here. We're having a sleepover, so it's gonna be fun. These are our fits for the night. So this is actually Shein. I'm sorry, but I got it at Saber's Thrift. These are a Neen Bing. They're kind of like a boot cut scenario. I'm wearing these Nina kitten heels. They have a little nude cap toe.
These actually are from Abercrombie.
Really?
Yeah.
They're so cute.
I haven't worn Abercrombie since it's like 13.
Yes, yeah.
And I was at the mall and I was like, wait.
Like high school.
I was like, Abercrombie didn't close?
No, they actually, I've heard they have some cute stuff now.
I like them.
And then your top, what are you wearing? And your shoes?
This is an Amazon top.
Yay, Amazon. And Klein. Classic.
There you go.
And they're like a little, she has a little we both have small little kitten heels.
No, I don't even want to talk about last night. It was a mess. You know what? Jack's on Thon was closed by the time we got there. We found other spots. It's fun.
Soho Grand is always the way to go.
We did not do anything wild last night, but I was still sleepy.
We still went to bed at like 4 or 5.
Yeah, rather we were gonna go to the event. This is the Glam Rock event for Secret Mission Boutique. Dana didn't eat this morning. It's her first food. I know this is bad.
Starving.
I don't even normally drink soda. Dana's a bad influence. I drink so much soda with you.
You're making it work.
Cute. It's not. Let's do Dana just left, and I found this vintage. Stop. By Craft and Carry and by Instarotter. On sale, $50 for a rug. Yes. This is amazing. Cute. Oh my gosh, these are so tiny. That's so cute.
amazing. I love this. This lamp is fantastic.